Alright, so Alex Rodo against Z06 on spray. See how this works out. Oh! Holy fucking shit! Awesome! Awesome! Holy shit!
Oh my god!
I have it on video.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck.
Alex just beat a vet on spray.
That's probably a one shot. It probably pulled in the end.
Holy shit!
At least it worked out okay.
Oh man!
Holy fucking shit. The hood is exploded off. That is the hood.
That must be coming under insurance.
Holy fucking shit. We're not gonna mind the fact that Alex just ran a 14.16. Forget that.
He ran a 14.16 last time. Exactly 14.16.
Oh my god.
Please tell me you caught it.
Yes, I did.
Yes!
It's still going. Still going. Hey, dude. You got anything for the camera for being a fucking douchebag and blowing up your
That,
bed?
ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah, that's you.
watering is